In this task, we will demonstrate the auscultation of the heart. We will apply the stethoscope on 4 places on the thoracic wall. We will start in the 5th intercostal space, in the medial clavicular line. We will listen there to mitral valve. As you can hear, the first sound was accented. Secondly, we will perform the auscultation of the aortic valve, where we expect second sound to be accented. Pulmonary valve closes at the beginning of diastole, and therefore again the second heart sound is accented here. And lastly, in the 5th intercostal space parasternally on the right side, we will listen to tricuspid valve. The first heart sound was accented.